Alright, let's see. Fake hat? Really? Real hat. It's cold as hell here. Alright, so we're starting with the Primal Game Data child. Then we go to the Primal Game Data, and that's a plain child. So I think you could actually just copy it. This is my first time digging into this with Atlas. So let's... care about our hair. We don't care about gender definitions, hairstyle, and facial hair. So this one's pretty useless to us, except, ooh, I didn't even think about that. So I'm looking to see where in the Primal Game Data tree the mortar and pestle is broken, and some of these appends are broken. And I just realized that merge mod game data. Huh. I'm just going to go through every single one of these now, because graph is not editable. Cast to... Oh. Another game data. Another game data reference. These guys love graphing. Oh my god. Well, I mean, it's either an issue with the appends or the mortar pestle inventory is messed up. Alright, let's see. So this is what's different with this. They just keep casting and casting and casting. Wait a second. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I think it's the append issue. But this gives us some idea. I wonder if we actually have to graph it in. We would work in the dev kit but not live on a server. I mean, I don't do my testing on live server anyways. It's just bad practice. So master item list is, this is just dies. That's all the dies. All the status values. Whoa. Oh my god. Player spawn regions. Really? Item qualities. Huh. Common, fine, journeyman, masterwork, legend. I haven't seen a legendary yet. Huh. Hidden engram blueprint classes. cheat. That must be the cheat box. Tooltip widget generic. Primary resources. Extra resources. Now, see, this is what I noticed. Base extra resources container. Right? There is a lot of stuff in here. This is the entire Engram list. But what I'm curious to see is resources. I want to see actual resources. Okay, so resource references, extra resource references. Huh. That's interesting. I wonder if this is where you're putting your foliage overrides. Huh. Do we have to have our own base extra resources container? Wait, body mask for those who are doing player mesh equipment, that might be it right there. It might need a tag on your copy, on your version. Types. Soil types, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it's not that. That's interesting. So the no build thing, it's a buff? Default structure settings. Let's see what's in here. Nice and projectile. Primal player data. Oh, are you serious? That's just the Power Stones. Oh, there we go. Okay, Power Stones and respec. So should we make a respec suit? We could do that. That would be super easy. On consume. All right. Oh yeah, that's right. I wanted to look at this. I never did. Yeah, right. Oh my god. Weather buffs. Okay. So at one point I was kind of playing with it a little bit. I was trying to find the water cyclones. And I think the water cyclones are summoned by the player itself. Search for a tornado. Let's search for cyclone. Nothing. There we go. Rain cyclone parent class. Buff raining cyclone base. Check cyclones for raft. So raft is the base. So here, let's go here. Yeah. Where are we? Day cycle manager atlas. Ugh. Ugh. Update sun. This is like world setting. Okay, so anyways, back to our whole thing though. Okay, core media, game data. Okay, so treasure map item. Someone was asking about this. Let's take a look at this. Map info BP, map render target BP. Okay, so let's look at these. Map render target BP. Okay, am I missing something here? So I wonder if this is part of another. Let's do our reference viewer. Weapon GPS. Spawn UI. Treasure map item. Let's look at the spawn UI. Oh. Nice one. So I wonder if that is. Okay, so what's a UI that comes up when we press a button? Let's do filters and user interface. Was it the character view panel? No, that's not it. It's a sub UI. Compass new. Nope. Items menu, no. Inventory menu. Okay. That's not it. This is it. But we want face canvas panel. Ah. Oh. Okay. That makes me kind of curious. I wonder if that's how we do key bindings for UIs now. Bind. Let's click it and see what happens. Oh, that's too funny. All right. Okay, so I have an idea. Let's do this. We're gonna. I keep getting distracted. Okay, we don't care about stuff right now. Oh, that's control player above. This is not where we. Excuse me. Minimo. All right, so I wonder. No, it's not there. No, it's not here. So that's just your dinos. Blueprint classes. We want resources. So that's just that. Okay, so let's try blueprint, and we'll do mortar. So mortar and pestle. Actually, let's do inventory. Oh, allow world settings inventory component appends. Oh, okay. Boom. So I wonder if that is part of the issue. Ugh. All right, so let me reach out to someone. All right, so I just yeah. Okay, hey, CAD, give me the class name for the NPC vendor that you were working on. So my personal hero and savior doesn't know if this is the cause of it or not. Ugh. Cosmetic seller NPC BP. Okay. Oh wait, no, we need the inventory component, dude. Okay, shop static cosmetics. So this right here. Yep, it's right there. Okay, so Cadwa, my suggestion to you is with your singleton, cast to the inventory component, shop static cosmetics, okay? And toggle that bool. And let me know if that fixes it for you. Because it might just be that we need... Oh. Well, don't do that. Let's see if this works. Alright, so how'd you do with singleton? Did you just grab the arc singleton? Let's see. Arc. Use JSlaves. Alright, APSCC. The graphs are in... Oh, really? Someone already made one for us? Awesome. Oh, looping graphs. I want a CCA graph. Use Morks. Let's see. Park modding community. CCA. It's okay. I'll just do it really quick. With some tips and tricks. In tips and tricks, Mork CCA. Yeah, I have DMs turned off, Manimo. That's why people can't message me. Really? Come on. There's got to be... Really? Oh, there we go. Generic mod, CCA. Awesome. Really? Come on. Jump to it. Why am I lagging so bad? Oh my god. One sec, I don't know what's going on right now. My system is lagging out hard. That was really weird. Why is Windows Explorer using that much CPU? Oh. Funky. Alright, generic mod CCA. Let's see, let's drop that CCA into... Go lay down, buddy. Let's drop the CCA into the... Yeah. And now that's one thing that's made me really happy, is we can actually paste stuff in it in live updates. Projects, shooter game, content, mods, and HD folks. A little auto update in here. So while we're waiting for it to do its little cycle. I'm wondering if so there's an inventory force prevent item appends. That's interesting. Prevent saving. So Jose, or Josie, it's all listed in the Discord now. That Dropbox is taken down. You have to sign up. Let's see. Let me get into my Discord really quick. It is nextcloud.atlascommunity.org. And just create an account, and you can download all that stuff. And there's a lot more on there now, actually, as well. Yeah, there's definitely still room, but most of that is all up north. So let me see if I can find the map. I could have sworn I saw someone put it up. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this is the map. So things that are not... So this whole tundra and polar, this is all open for hosting. And the bottom right-hand corner is up for hosting. This bottom right-hand corner, we're trying to get Australia and New Zealand for this bottom right corner. Yeah, as long as you have 3 gigahertz clock speed and 10 megabyte per, or 10 megabit per second upload on the server, so per shard, and 8 gigs of RAM per shard, then you should be okay. We'll do testing on it and everything. But yeah, no, do ! Discord. That will give the Discord. The Discord has grown exponentially. As you can see, we have 549 members at this point. So yes, things have been growing very quickly. Yep. So we have 3 hosters right now. Me, JetFox, and 7 Circle Gaming, which is Maple Bacon and Epic. Oh, 1650? Yeah, those are great. So Manamo, until I can get this sorted out with this New Zealand host, this bottom right-hand corner is going to be off limits. But I want to say those 1650s, you can do, I want to say it was like 10, I believe. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you can probably do 8 with 64 gigs of RAM. So, yeah. Yeah, you can do 8. So if you wanted to do 8 up here in the north, I'd want to start, because you're located in Europe, right? If you're located in Europe, we would want to keep you on the right-hand side. Oh, the servers in Canada. So yeah, so if the servers in Canada, we would do this left-hand side, top left. Yeah, so 9. So that's 6. So we'd probably just do 8 with you. That way, it would give a little bit of overhead. Hey, Peter. Alright, so enough of this. Let's get back to modding. So Cadwa, I think that's what that issue is. Did that CCA pull in yet? I know sometimes it likes to be a pain. Let's save. And then probably have to do a fix up redirectors. Yeah, no, so that would be awesome, because then we would have almost an entire side, north to south. So people will be able to sail north and south. I know some people who wanted to host were kind of put off by the fact that they would be hosting one of the northern regions or one of the southern regions, but when it comes down to it, it's all one big, huge community project. Now, Manamo, me and JetFox have remote desktop access to every single server across. That way, if there's a patch or there's an issue or something like that, we can, because normally one of the two of us is on 24/7. Yeah, Peter, glad. So that is also one of the other requirements. We also have a slightly modified version of JetFox's auto restarter for this project as well. So we'll have a conversation on the side about it. Okay, so I think we probably figured that out. Oh, it's still doing its save. Oh, there we go. We have it back. Can you hear my dog just going to town on his chew toy? Craziness. It's really annoying. So you know what? We're just going to close out because I want to try and get the CCA working. All of this testing stuff, I can delete it all. End up with tons and tons and tons of this junk. Yep, fun stuff. All junk though at this point, because that whole thing, we restarted from scratch. Fun. Reducing the spawns for the ships of the dam. I think that's gonna have to be a mod, man. There we go. Merrick mod CCA. Okay. I'm gonna let the creature out really fast, and I'll be right back. Yes, I am. Well, this is loading. Be right back. Oh my god, it's so cold out. Ugh. Alright, so let's see. Singleton. Level 1 Freeport NPC? What do you mean? Really? I have not actually come across that yet. Jose, send me a friend request in Discord and DM me. Spawn persistent and duplicates. Alright. Print string. CCA first run testing. Jericho, I'm not sure. I have not actually come across that. That's a new one for me. I don't really play Unofficial much, and because I've been doing so much work in modding and stuff, I haven't even really had the chance. Jose, are you COS? Okay. Let me accept that really quick. And just DM me server specs and all that other stuff. You know the deal. You know we're pretty stringent on that. There's a reason why our servers don't have lag. Maps. So we're going to create a copy of the test map area for this. And I always recommend to people across the board, always make a copy of the test map. I have my kit set up so that it doesn't load the test map when the kit first opens, so it opens up even quicker, and then I can just pick what I want to work in. But also, if you work something, then you could just, delete that one thing without having to worry about not being able to get into your kit. I'm like looking through the different categories in the Atlas modding Discord right now to see if there's anything that sticks out to me that I've already messed with that I can try to help other people out. Oh, you want me to show you the remaps that I did? I'm actually going to be converting my remap to CCA. So it'll be a CCA conversion. But that's going to go directly into the inventory transfer mod that I started fiddling with a little bit. It happens. My typing can get pretty bad at points. Okay, there we go. I gotta get my voting in. Gotta vote. Oh, I need to log in first. Yay! Alright, so I'm really curious to see what I got today for voting. Really excited. I got a parrot already. Oh no, I hope the rest of the crew didn't mutiny. I don't know, I can't speak for the developer, in all honesty. For something like that, I don't know. Could be a bug, could be something that got overlooked, could be something that is actually meant for us to do. Doesn't matter where we join. I'm always happy to see that the home servers are pretty empty. That means people are getting away from those shards. This is such an annoying bug. Host pending connection timeout. It's still connecting. And I think this is what gets a lot of people, is if their systems aren't really fast, it'll actually stay at that screen for just a moment where you can still click the buttons. Oh cool, so the announcements are good now. Okay, cool. Nobody's mutinied. Oh my god, they lost so many ships. This is what happens. Oh, no. This wasn't them. This was me. Someone got their ship stuck. And what I did was I got right to the side of their ship, right? And I aimed downwards a little bit, and I just started mass spawning in rafts and a couple of sloops, so that way they would wedge themselves underneath it and use the physics to push the brig up and around, and we were able to get the guy's ship unstuck that way. Well, I made one of the other admins go and clean up all the rafts after. Alright, so /vote. Alright, so that's working. And /claim. And it's checking for votes. Please wait. Okay, so it gave me my gold, but it... Did I just get the mermaid? I don't know. /claim. No, I need to wait 24 hours. Oh, that sucks balls. I didn't get my pet this time. Oh well. This is the parrot I got last time. Rewards for voting. We're number 9 on the world, so yeah, makes me happy. Uh-oh, somebody else put a claim flag down here. It's about to be on. We're gonna have to sail the ship over there and check them out. I'll have to wait until later, because if we get into a battle, I'm not gonna lose my galleon. This thing took me way too long. Are we out of wood? I see stuff damaged. No, we got plenty of resources. Let's add that to that. Yeah, boy. You guys want a real kicker? Where is it? We got some awesome blueprints on our last run with all the Ship of the Damned. 129% damage Journeyman Cannon. I think that's the best ship cannon that we have that we've found so far. It's only got 12 crafts though, which really sucks. But you know what? I'll take it. And then we got this monster right here, the 134 damage large cannon. So it'll be interesting. We're gonna have to figure out what we want to do. And if anyone ever wants to trade, we usually have shipbuilding blueprints out the butt. This Masterwork small shipyard. It's just too funny. But we're looking at, we're probably going to build ourselves a schooner, a combat schooner, and everything will be like Journeyman and higher. So that'll be awesome. Oh no. Oh no. Do I have food? Oh shoot. I'll have to tell my company mates about it. Let me do that later. So let's see. Alright, so back to this. So we have our test map. Let's open this thing up. Yeah, and that's something I'm going to be fixing. So the community map is actually going to have probably only one mod. And it's going to be a compilation of a bunch of different mod stuff. So let's inject the game data into here. Okay, now when we start this, we should see the text across the center. Hopefully. Yep, right there in the top left. So we're going to watch in this very top left corner, okay? And we'll see it pop up right here in the corner. See? CCA start testing. So yeah, so we know the CCA works. So let us go and get into our CCA. And we need to cast to that. So let's open up here. And we need to do, no, we need to do get game mode. Shooter game mode. Cast to, no. What was it? There was a, no, Smithy. It's in one of my other mods. No more mini games, I think. So let's just do one of us. Oh wait, yeah, this is the vanilla one. I'm like, why is there a minigame in here? I need cast. Maybe it wasn't the minigame or the one of us. Something else. Let's try the Smithy. Where was that example? Oh, the fishing rod. My worst enemy. I hate this stupid thing. Character, no, it's not that. Yeah, it's gotta be my weapon. Actually, we can just do this. We just type in cast, and that'll pull up all of our stuff. Actually, let's do cast 2. Let's tighten that search a little bit. There we go. Okay, so cast is shooting game. We want the cast of the fishing rod. Oh, I can show you the remap real fast. That's super easy. So all you're going to do is, let me open up my multivitamin one because I've already done the remap in here. Alright, so all you're going to do is remap resource components from class to class, from class to class. That's it. This is the whole thing right here. So when you do that, make sure that you are actually going the right direction. So I had to find the actual ARC one, and then I had to find the Atlas one. So what I did was a complete search for compost, and I looked up the compost bin, and that's how I found what my ARC one was. And then I took the other one as the actual whatchamacallit, the Atlas one, and that works fine. I have my mod as first load order, but that's it. So, alright, so let's see. Cast 2. I don't want to mess with this. We open up mini games, because that's not live right now for the fishing rod. And when it restarts, it reverts. Yeah, mine's not doing that. So people were asking earlier about the whole button press stuff, right? And there was this whole reeling game thing. That is what I was talking about. Let's see. I don't know this. Oh no, this. I'm going to have to do get class. Shoot game mode, get class. Yep. Holy hell, that is a lot of stuff. So what did we, let's see. Okay, cast and mortar and pestle. Okay, cast to primal inventory. And as this, set no, we don't want that. What was the stupid thing? Mortar. Primal inventory BP, mortar and pestle. Append. Okay, allow world settings. Okay. So allow world I'm missing something. Yeah, that's what I just did. I pulled from the class pin. Apply primal item settings to structure, no. I mean, it's a simple freaking rule. Let's actually look at this. Okay, rule, allow world settings. Yeah, I didn't want to though. Get class default object. No. Unless, is that listed under, what's that listed under? It's just primal inventory. Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Let's try set. Oh wait, I wonder if that's. It's in the object cast. Game mode, get class. It's in the object cast? Yep. Yeah, how I'm doing right now. Yeah. I don't need this though. Love these little arrows. Alright, so we need a branch. Alright, so conditions, if that's true. Right, I'm going to be doing it in both. So what it'll do is on first run, it'll check to see if that bool is enabled or not. And if it's, let's see, no, if it's not enabled, then, yeah, if it's not enabled, then it will enable it. And if it is enabled, Okay, so we're actually going to do this. Ooh, this is an idea. Okay. Okay, print string. And just actually, yeah, we'll do both. World. Oh wait, no, hold on. We need to as this. So put that to log. We want this in between. So this to here. No. No, we could actually just do that. Yeah. And let's see if this works. I need to settings, no, window, output. So let's GFI. How much do pestle? I think. Yep. Oh, that's right. We need GFI floor thatch base. No, we're just going to do this. We're going to say GCM. Oh, did we just... Oh, no, we didn't crash the kit. Alright, so let's add in multi-button stuff. So actually, oh, I totally messed that up. Okay, so we should do X. So for this, we need to add an append for the mortar and pestle. Search for append, and inventory component class, add item, and what's something that you can craft in your inventory? Primal item. Oh yeah, cloth hat. What is it? Primal item armor? Yeah. Okay, so oh, there we go. Cloth helmet. Add item, and we need the pestle, primal inventory, mortar and pestle. and save. And I know I'm going to have to get rid of this. Oh, I wonder if this is one of those times where you actually have to stop it. Alright, crime of the Indego. Okay, so we actually put it in the right one. So why is it not appending? Might have to restart. Yeah. Armor, cloth. Okay, so let's look through the output log really quick. Okay, so here's where the CCA kicked off. Okay, let's look at the CCA. CCA. We might actually have to put that and start CCA in addition. Yeah, that's another thing that I was just thinking about. I wonder if we have to do it via buff. You know, I think part of this is, let's do floor and blueprint. GCM is just filling up this, so primal item structure, floor thatch. There we go. I'm going to stop that. I'm going to start it again. We're not going to use GCM this time. Cheap experience. Sorry for that. Skills. The basics. So it's definitely adding it, but the question is, does the CCA actually have anything to do with it? So let's Right-click volume mixer? What the hell is volume mixer? Oh, yeah. So let's pull that section out of the CCA. Stop. Break link and break link. I would agree with you on that. Pi is definitely a lie with Atlas. Okay, so none of the CCA stuff came in this time. So the append still works. Apparently you've been sending too many messages. So, I mean, the inventory append thing might not need that. In the problem game data, I didn't see anything for... Unless... no, oh yeah, that's right. That's what I was... Okay. So there's no... That's right. This was something I had run into. Like, where does it specify the stuff that gets crafted in here? So... Resource... No. Flame arrow... No, what else? Paste. Okay, organic paste. requires this inventory component, yet it's not in here. So right. Yeah, I know that. But requires inventory component. That's what I wanted to get. Right. And when you look at default inventory items, sorry, it's not because it's as emblems. Yeah. See, that's the thing that's getting me right here is receiving inventory items. Okay, so we have default inventory items, but I want there's got to be an append. It's just that one bool. And it's an inherited variable. Yeah, it's very weird. And of course, the only place where it is in the CCA. Maybe default. I mean, this is directly off of the primal inventory component. The mortar and pestle is directly off the primal inventory component. We can't access that. I know, it's a weird one. So what if we don't do it this way? What if we don't add it through here? Let's clear that path. Let's save it. And let's try doing it through the CCA. Alright. Okay, cast to that. Append array. The array is going to be default. Ooh. Can we have that append array kick that off? Okay, we'll just do inventory items. Oh, we don't want to make array though. There we go. Get default inventory items. There we go. Alright. Now we can append. Append array. I'm just going to rip that section out altogether. Well, that's what I'm thinking, but I'm going to try doing an append to the default inventory items with this now. So we'll actually have to do 2 of these. So this would be, what is that? Engram something. Default engrams. Get default engrams array. Set it to 1. But we don't want that. So maybe it has to be append array. Yeah, it would be append. It would be another append. So this is the stuff that always gets me. I want to append that specific item. Oh, I need to create an array, don't I? Yeah, I would have to create an array. So I need to get a class default object as well. So has to cloth helmet. Yeah, that's what I was going to do. I'm making the array right now. Let's see. I'm just gonna have to make a variable then. Actually, no, I can't do that. There we go. Make array. Oh, this one. Catch the helmet. Make array. Append to array. The array to add to the target array. No. My array skills suck. Okay, so we made our array, we added type of array is undetermined. Connect something to it to imply a specific type. Oh. It's not compatible with byte. I hate graphing. Alright, so I hate arrays. Yeah, go for it. So what we want to do is we want to graph appending the cloth hat to the mortar and pestle inventory. Yeah, I want to append class items. Well, this is just to test it. This is just to test it. So, let's see. I can't do that now. Yeah, but would that still work though for but would that still work for because we don't want to because you can't do that like that. So That's getting it. I'm like, I still can't do it like that either. Oh, right, but how do I append that to... That's the issue. How do I append that? With the primary item. Let me delete all that junk. So you can't... Oh, you think that's what's stopping it? Screw it, we're just gonna do it like this. I hit the drop down box. Oh, I hate doing that. Oh, I hate the drop down box, but whatever. Right, that's what I'm on right now. Add class. Ugh. Hmm. Oh yeah. That's just the same as adding another pin though. So actually we gotta do it this way and then up to here. So I can get rid of this. So let me just make sure that I pulled it out of the permanent. Okay, so it's definitely not there. I hate graphing. Okay, well that obviously didn't work. Oh wait, I have to do one off of here also. Really? We want add. Oh, you did the other get class, right? Huh. I wonder if I can't do it this way. I wonder if I can't do class default object. I mean, it's doing it the exact same way as you're doing it. Except I'm casting directly to the inventory. Right, but remember, this is Atlas. Things are not how they appear to be. And no, you want to. Oops. And right, source array. So that's our source, and that's our target. So for this entry, it'll make it 1. Yeah. So is engram? Yes. Several graphs, 1 for the inventory, 1 to get the classes of primary. Yeah. My inventory. Still not showing in here. Oh my god. I can't believe this. I guess that helps, right? God, that's so messy. Still nothing. Alright, what am I doing wrong? Oh, wait, unless this is that thing. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, first run. Actually, I do have to have it in both, I bet. gonna have to go debug mode in a second. This doesn't work to see where it's actually failing on us. Yep, debug mode. Okay. Oh, that's right, I need to start. Failed to find variable property. Actually, we don't want to break that. 0 elements. Why is that not adding it? Should be adding that class into this array. Cadwab, before you run. Why wouldn't it append this? Yeah. Alright. Well, it is lunchtime. I think I'm going to grab some food, and I'll be back in a little bit. Do some more exploration on this. I will see you guys shortly.